How's it going, guys? My name's Andy from Urban Herbs, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about a really unusual variety of thyme. You could say that this is woolly by name and woolly by nature. This is woolly thyme. Now, what do I mean by that? What's woolly thyme? Well, this is a variety of thyme that's actually got a kind of furry texture on the foliage. I don't know if that sounds appealing to you, but my words are really not doing it justice right now, because this is a really attractive plant. Now you'll see that as I'm holding it, the plant is actually semi-trailing. It's a low growing or ground cover variety of thyme. What I mean by that is you can plant it in the ground, it will spread slowly, it will provide that ground cover, so it will fill a space, provide you with foliage, and it's also evergreen. So that means that this variety of thyme will grow really well through winter conditions here in the UK. I'll tell you how you can grow it in just a minute. In terms of flavour, woolly thyme is just the same as normal thyme. I can't stop rubbing the foliage because the actual aroma is really delicious. So woolly thyme looks really good, it's really useful, it's easy to grow. It provides you with options. And the fact that it's evergreen will provide you with that presence throughout the winter, which I really love. I'm recording this video actually talking to you now in early September here in the UK. And all these videos are from a UK-centric point of view. If you're watching this for another country, please feel free to drop me a comment. And I will do my very best to offer you advice for where you're growing. So how are you going to grow woolly thyme? Well, all this advice is going to be quite specific to all varieties of thyme that we grow. They're going to require very similar growing conditions. This is a variety that's going to thrive in full sun. So you can plant this in a sunny position, in the sunniest position that you can find actually. You can plant it in the ground or in a pot. It will grow really well in a container. We've got it in a raised bed, it grows there too, and it just spills down the side of the raised bed looking really good. You've got a lot of options with woolly thyme. I've actually seen this planted in a hanging basket too. The foliage just spills down the side of the hanging basket and looks absolutely amazing. Woolly thyme is really versatile. There is a slight catch. There's going to be one thing that stops your woolly thyme from thriving, and that'll be if it's waterlogged. Thyme really doesn't like being waterlogged. It doesn't like sitting in water, especially through those grey, dark, damp winter days. I can't stand those myself. I can sympathise with this thyme plant. So make sure that this is free draining. So firstly, if you're planting it in a container like the ones in front of me, make sure that the container has got drainage holes. And then make sure that you use a good quality growing medium. Perhaps you could work a little bit of grit, fine grit, into that potting mix, just to help the water soak away. And if you are experiencing really heavy rain, you could move the container containing your woolly thyme plant against the house, away from the very worst of the winter weather. If you follow those instructions, you'll find that woolly thyme, like other varieties of thyme, is actually really easy to grow, and it's so much fun. I absolutely love growing woolly thyme, and I hope that you've enjoyed this very short introduction to it as you watch this video. I've got a bit of a favour to ask. Wherever you're watching this and whenever you're watching this, hit the like button. I love standing here in this polytunnel making videos about unusual herb plants, sharing my love of these plants. So if you get a chance, just hit the like button. It really does help our channel to grow. Thank you so much for your company, guys. I hope you enjoyed meeting woolly thyme.